Hey, English learners. Welcome back to English You Never Learned.
The podcast where we help you speak English for real life, real conversations, and real confidence. I'm Leo.
And I'm Emma. Today's episode is one of the most useful episodes we can make because it affects everything.
Everything starts with a greeting.
Exactly. If your greeting feels natural, the whole conversation feels easier. But if your greeting feels awkward, your confidence drops before you even begin.
And greetings are tricky because they change depending on the situation. You can't greet your best friend the same way you greet your boss.
Or the same way you greet a stranger at a coffee shop.
So today we're mastering English greetings for every situation. Casual, formal, professional, friendly, first-time meetings, quick greetings, phone greetings, and even greetings when you haven't seen someone in a long time.
And we'll keep everything simple and real. No textbook conversations that nobody uses.
Also, we'll talk about what to say after the greeting, because many learners can say, "Hi," but then there's silence.
That silence is painful.
It's like your brain is buffering.
Today, we'll give you greeting plus follow-up combinations so you can keep going smoothly.
Before we start, quick favor. If this podcast helps you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Especially the friend who always says, "Hello, my friend," in every situation.
It's sweet, but we can level it up.
Okay, Leo. Let's start with a simple question. Why do greetings matter so much?
Because greetings set the tone. They signal friendliness, respect, confidence, and even your personality.
Yes, and in English-speaking culture, greetings are often short and casual, but they still carry meaning.
Also, greetings are a chance to sound natural immediately. Even if your grammar is not perfect, a natural greeting gives you a strong start.
Great. So let's build a greeting toolbox.
First category, casual greetings for friends and people you know.
The basics. Hi, hey, hello.
Hey is very common and friendly.
And then we have, how's it going? And, how are you?
But how's it going is more casual.
Yes. And a lot of learners overthink this question. They think they need a real deep answer.
But usually, it's just small talk. You can answer with short phrases.
Like, good, thanks. Pretty good. Not bad. Doing well.
And you can bounce it back. How about you? Or, and you?
Now let's make a few casual greeting combos.
Combo 1. Hey, how's it going?
Answer, good, you?
Combo 2. Hi, how have you been?
That one is slightly warmer. It's good for someone you haven't seen in a while.
Answer, I've been good. How about you?
Combo 3. Hey, long time no see.
That's a classic phrase.
And the answer can be, I know. It's been a while.
Great.
Now, second category. Greetings for strangers or people you don't know well.
With strangers, tone matters. You want polite and friendly, not too personal.
A very safe greeting is, hi there.
Or hello.
If you want to ask a question right away, you can start with, excuse me.
Excuse me is the polite opener when you need help or you're interrupting someone.
Example, excuse me, do you know where the nearest coffee shop is?
Or, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Great everyday English.
Now, third category. Professional greetings at work.
At work, you can still be friendly, but keep it a bit more neutral.
Common ones. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Those are safe and professional.
And in emails or messages, you often see hi name or hello name.
In person, if you meet a colleague in the hallway, you can say, morning. That's very common.
Yes, morning is like a shorter good morning.
Now, let's talk about greeting your boss or someone senior.
You can say, good morning, name, or hi name, good to see you.
Good to see you is polite and warm.
But not too emotional. It's a safe warmth.
Now, fourth category, first-time meetings.
This is where learners get nervous.
Because you need greeting plus introduction.
The classic is, hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Or, hello, I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you.
And a very natural follow-up is, how do you know person? Or, what do you do?
But what do you do can feel direct. It's normal in many English-speaking places, but some learners feel uncomfortable.
If you want softer, say, what do you do for work? Or, what line of work are you in?
Line of work is a little more advanced but very natural.
Or you can ask, so what brings you here today? If it's an event.
That's a good event question.
Now, fifth category, greetings on the phone or video calls.
Phone greetings are different because the other person can't see you smiling.
So your voice matters more.
Common phone greeting: Hi, this is Emma.
Or, hello, this is Leo speaking.
If you answer a call casually, Hey, what's up?
But that's for friends.
For work calls, Hi, this is Emma from company. How are you?
Or, good morning, this is Leo. Thanks for calling.
Great.
Now, sixth category, greetings when you're returning messages.
Like texting.
Very common. Hey, hi, hey, sorry for the late reply.
That's a useful phrase. Sorry for the late reply.
Or, sorry I took so long to respond.
Another friendly text greeting: Hey, hope you're doing well.
That's warm and simple.
Now, let's talk about greeting styles that sound unnatural when learners translate directly.
Like hello, dear friend.
It can sound sweet, but in English it's not common unless you're very close or it's an older style.
Another one. I'm very happy to meet you can sound too strong for first meeting.
Better: Nice to meet you. Simple.
Another one. Greeting with, how are you? And then giving a long life story.
Some people do that, but for everyday greetings, keep it short.
You can save the deeper talk for later.
Now we should teach energy matching. This is what locals do naturally.
Yes. Match the other person's energy. If they say hey, you can say hey.
If they say good morning, you can say good morning.
If they're excited, you can be a little excited. If they're calm, be calm.
This helps you fit in socially.
Now, here's a big problem. What do you say after the greeting?
Yes, many learners greet and then freeze.
So we'll give follow-up lines for different situations.
If you greet a friend, how's your day going? What have you been up to?
What have you been up to? Means what have you been doing recently?
If you greet a coworker, how's it going? Busy day?
Busy day is a super common small line.
If you greet a stranger at a party, how do you know the host? Have you been here before?
Great.
If you greet someone you haven't seen in a long time, it's been ages. How have you been?
And you can add, we should catch up.
Catch up means talk and share updates.
Now, I want to share a personal story about greetings. Because greetings used to be hard for me.
Tell us.
When I first started speaking English more often, I overplanned greetings. I thought I needed a perfect line.
Like a movie line.
Exactly. I would rehearse, hello, it is a pleasure to meet you today.
That sounds like a robot lawyer.
Yes. People were polite, but the vibe felt stiff. Then a friend told me, just say hey, nice to meet you, that's enough.
And that changed everything.
Yes. I realized greetings are not performances. They're doors. You open the door, then you walk in.
I love that. Greetings are doors.
If you spend too long decorating the door, you never enter the room.
Beautiful metaphor.
Thanks. Now, Emma, do you have a greeting story?
Yes. I used to be afraid of, how are you? Because in my culture, that question is more serious.
Right.
I would answer too seriously, and people looked surprised.
What did you say?
Something like, I'm very stressed because my work is difficult and my sleep is not good.
That's honest, but heavy.
Exactly. Then I learned that sometimes how are you is just hi.
Exactly.
So now I answer based on closeness. If it's a stranger or coworker, I say, good, thanks, how about you?
And if it's a close friend, you can be more real.
Yes, honestly, I've been tired. Can I tell you about it?
That's a great way to signal deeper talk.
Now, let's give learners a greeting ladder. Different levels from casual to formal.
Level 1, super casual. Hey.
Level 2. Hi, how's it going?
Level 3. Hello, how are you?
Level 4. Professional. Good morning. How are you?
Level 5, very formal. Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you.
But level 5 is rare in daily life.
Most people live in levels 1 to 4.
Exactly.
Now, we should include greetings for special situations, apologizing, arriving late, and re-entering a conversation.
If you arrive late, you can say, "Hey, sorry I'm late."
Or, thanks for waiting.
If you miss someone's message, "Sorry, I missed your text."
If you haven't replied for a while, sorry for the late reply.
Very useful.
Another situation. You see someone but you forgot their name.
That's scary.
But you can still greet warmly. Hey, it's good to see you again.
And then ask, "Remind me of your name?"
Or, I'm so sorry, what was your name again?
That's polite.
People forget names all the time.
Now, let's talk about greetings with humor. Because humor can make greetings warm.
True, but keep it simple.
For friends, "Hey stranger," that's playful.
Or, look who it is. Also playful.
But don't use these in professional settings.
Yes. Keep humor for people you know well.
Another important thing, greetings also include body language.
Yes. Smile. Eye contact. Friendly tone.
Even if your English is simple, your warmth makes it natural.
And if you're on the phone, smile anyway. It changes your voice.
That's a real tip.
Now, we should give listeners practice activities because greetings are muscle memory.
Here's a simple practice. Choose 3 greetings you want to use this week.
1 casual, 1 professional, 1 for meeting new people.
Then practice greeting plus follow-up out loud.
Example. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. You?
Example. Good morning. Morning? Busy day?
Example. Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How do you know the host?
Practice 5 minutes a day. Your brain will stop freezing.
Another practice. Record yourself saying greetings with different tones.
Happy, calm, professional.
Because tone is part of meaning.
Now, quick recap.
Greetings change by situation. Casual, stranger, work, first meeting, phone.
Keep greetings short and natural.
Add a follow-up question to keep the conversation going.
Match the other person's energy.
And remember, greetings are doors. Don't overthink the door. Open it.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to sound natural in English.
And tell us in the comments, which greeting do you use the most? And which new greeting will you try this week?
This was English You Never Learned with Emma and Leo.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep connecting, and start every conversation with confidence.
Bye.